folks, it's me again. If you're watching the previous portion of this video, I'm now here next day. I let the JB Weld dry, and I'm going to show you what it did. So I'll stand up and show you here real quick. Let me get my damn blows out of here. Let's see. What it did is, see, it's a big glob of blob. I'm going to try to cut it down, and I'll show you what the hell I'm going to do with it. So stay tuned a second. I'll show you. I'm going to sand it down, and I'm going to try to see if I can put the glass back in. So let me just move this camera around. Stay tuned here. I'll move the angle. Hold on. All right, here's the glasses. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, I haven't used JB Weld before. So I'll see if I can cut it with a knife here. All right. Cut some of it off. Is it moving? Let me see. Cut some of it out. I don't even know if it sticks. Or maybe I should have roughed it up some. I don't know. So anyway, let's see. Maybe it was too cold. Who knows? Still a little bit putty-ish. Let me see. Will it work? If not, I'll try it again. Let's see. How the hell am I do this here? It's holding. Did it line up right? Or is it just a lot of crap in there? That corner goes like, oh yeah, it's true, a little piece broke off when it happened. Yeah, it's like it didn't cure properly. Weird. Maybe JB Weld is not exactly immune to minus temperatures. So, worst case scenario, it doesn't work. Better yet, worst case scenario, it kind of works. Let's see. It'll at least hold the glass. That's all that matters, as long as it holds the glass. Oh, it broke. Came apart. Failure. So yeah, it did. When I put the glass in, it came apart. So we're gonna try something different. I don't know. See, it's got a crack in there. It just didn't want to hold. Maybe I'll sand it down and try again. It's got to be a way to get this thing to hold together. See, I don't know if the JB Weld still feels sticky and tacky, so maybe I'll try to take it off and fit it on there again somehow. Oh well. So much for trying. It sucks because the frames are fine. The prescription is fine. I just can't get this thing to stay. Crazy glue, maybe. All else fails, I'll put more JB Weld on it. There. I can see it sticks, but this piece broke out, which was fine. I don't know. Crazy glue, maybe. Oh well. It kind of broke. I'll figure something out with this thing. So anyway, I experiment. Maybe I can get one of those little heat things. I don't know. Maybe I should just leave it and throw it in the garbage. But I want an extra frame, an extra set of frames, so I could work around there. So see, the glass is fine. I just can't. Or I'll do like those guys on YouTube to make my own damn glasses. These hinges work great. Supposed to hold. Supposed to hold. I assume the cold had some effect on jibbity weld. It's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be like putty. It's supposed to be hard as a rock. Maybe I'll scrape it all off and try it again. I'm gonna go for round 2 before I end this video. Before I end this video, I'm gonna try it again, and I'm gonna see what happens and see if I can get this to work. Cause see, there's enough in this corner here that's broken out where I should be able to get a big chunk in there to hold, but I got to get it to stay. And I'll try the JB Weld again. I'll try with proper temperatures because I don't think minus whatever was a good idea. And it should hold. people swear by this stuff, so maybe just stop swearing by it, just use it. Anyway, I'll end the video there. We'll try again. And tomorrow I'm going to do some other stuff. So, here, let me go back up here. Turn this light off here. Tomorrow I'm going to, be making something else. So, stay tuned to the channel. Hope you enjoy all the crazy stuff I do. And I'll have more of me doing stuff. So, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Doodles.